Hello people, we are the team who work in the project of rainwater, and well, we are going to present or to introduce what is the purpose of this project. Well, creating a machine that purifies rainwater is important because the clean water is not easy to find in all the world. The machine will be made from recycled materials, and this will be good for the environment.
The storage of clean water is a problem in many parts of the world. The water is polluted by activities like industry, agriculture, and trash. This problem affects the health, biodiversity, and the environment.
We want to design and build a machine that purifies rainwater using sustainable and recycled materials, so the water be cleaner and also help to reduce the pollution. The project is very important because it will help to educate people about the care of natural resources.
Justification. The pollution in cities that is bigger because of too many cars and factories makes acid rain. This rain affects water, health, and nature in general. Health. Acid rain brings contaminants that make water bad to drink. This machine helps to make water safe for people.
Ecosystems. Acid rain can change the water and harm the life in rivers and lakes. With this machine, the water will be better and we can help ecosystems to recover resources. The machine uses trash for make energy. This is important in big cities that have a lot of waste and not enough clean
Well,
water.
what pollution causes? Principle in the health problems. For example, we have the respiratory problems, sometimes deaths, cancer, genetic malformations, and something like that.
Impact on ecosystems. We have loss of species in the ecosystems and increase of harmful insects that disperse diseases.
Well, in the impact on ecosystems, marine ecosystems, or ingestion. With the marine animals, can mistake plastics or for food, causing blockage and malnutrition. Entanglement. Fishing nets and other plastic trap animals, making hard them to move and survive. And the last one is the biodiversity. Plastics can carry invasive species, changing the local ecosystem.
Impact on human health. Ingestion and exposure. Microplastic can be found in the food, water, and even in the air we breathe. Plastic can release toxic chemicals like BPA, phthalates that affect our health, causing problems like hormonal change and even cancer. Indoor dust can also contain microplastics, which we can breathe in and cause respiratory problems.
Eco-friendly machines, definitions and goals. These machines are designed to reduce the environment impact using clean technology, energy sources, renewable energy sources. The machines use energy from the sun, wind, weather, or fundamental sources, united or fossil fuels, energy and efficiency. They are designed to consume less energy while still performing the same task opportunity their functions to minimize energy use and emissions, reduction of emission and pollution. They use systems that limit the emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants.
Sustainable materials. Definition and characteristics. Sustainable materials are those with life cycle, production, use, and dispose has a low environmental impact. They should be renewable, recyclable, and biodegradable.
Innovation in materials. It's when you use new materials like bioplastics made from algae or hemp fibers are being developed to replace plastics and other polluting materials.
Environmental and social benefits, reduction of carbon footprint. Both eco-friendly machines and sustainable materials help to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the environment. Lower resources consumption. They reduce the use of water, energy, and other materials, helping to conserve the natural resources. The impact on health by reducing pollution and exposure to toxic substances. These technologies improve public health and long-term sustainability. These innovants contribute to a growth model that protects resources for future generations.
How the machine works. Waste collection. The machine has a compartment where organic and inorganic while in the B places. Decomposition. The waste will go through a process called purification where it is harvested to turn it into gas that will help power the machine. Energy. The gas is captured and used to feed an electric generator. Purification. First, the water is filtered to remove large particles, then chemical like choice or carbon are added to treat the water. And finally, it is disinfected and using UV light to make sure it's free from pathogens. Storage. The last step to store the purified water in a clean and disinfected compartment until is ready for use.
Ahora sí ya.
What is a water dispenser? A water dispenser provides an unlimited supply of filtered, safe drinking water in any working place used by connecting into the existing water supply. User use net to place a glass bottle or jug under the tap and press a lever or button to fill it. Water dispenser also include a cooling mechanism that keeps the water at a cold or very cold temperature. They provide cold, hot, filtered, and even carbonated water.
The water dispenser is a device where water is placed to be filtered to make it safe for drinking. These dispensers usually change the temperature of the water, but the dispenser will propose filter the water with ecological materials to avoid excessive waste and unstable materials.
My conclusion according to resource management efficiency is the machine not only collection rainwater for recycling but also optimize its filtration and strong promoting the efficient use of this resource. At the same time, by capturing plastic waste, it helps manage and dispose of these wastes, reducing pollution and optimizing waste management.
Boys a night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide.